Hello everyone, here another 3 tools from Rhino you may not have discovered yet. Let's begin. The first one is called TweenCurves. With this you can generate in-between curves from 2 main curves. I show you here with these stairs. First you have to define the 2 extremes, in this case the upper and the lower curves. Then type TweenCurves in the command line, then input the quantity. Here I will do 10 and then enter, and you have it. Now you can extrude the curves down. Let's make it here 0.05 and then offset them in one direction with 0.3. And it looks like this. But as you see, these are not quite functional because they get narrow in some areas. So let's try it again, but now I'm gonna use these other curves. This one and this one here. Then again TweenCurves, now with 9. And now I'm gonna extrude them below and then offset them in one direction. And now it's looking much better. I'm gonna make a copy of it above and then move the whole thing to this other example that I wanna show you. This is an stadium, and I took the inspiration from the works of Zaha Hadid. And what's missing here is the roof, and for that I can also use the TweenCurves. I'm first gonna select these 2 curves, the outer, the inner, then type the command TweenCurves in the command line, then enter 16. And now I have these curves. I'm gonna extrude them with a distance of 0.5 down, and now I'm gonna offset them in both directions with a distance of 1, so the total will be 2 meters. So the resulting roof looks like undulated ribbons adjusted to the overall shape. For this other part of the roof I will do the same. I first select these 2 curves, then I type TweenCurves in the command line, and now I make the subdivision of 8 and then I group them. Now I'm gonna extrude them down with 0.5 and I'm gonna offset them 2 meters, but I see that the direction has to be flipped. To do that I'm gonna type flip, then enter, and done. Now I have bluebirds that can shade and let the wind pass through. The second command I wanna show you, it's called TestRanColor. Once you type it on the command line, you will get to see all the geometries represented constantly with different colors. This is very useful when modeling complex things like buildings that have many components, because it helps you to recognize the geometries much better. To turn it off, just type TestRanColor again. And the third command, it's called TurnTable. Just type it and the camera will start moving in a circular motion. It's kind of like orbiting around anything that's been selected. This you can use for simple animations by recording your screen, and you can also see this small little window here where you can increase or decrease the velocity of the rotation. To turn it off, just close the window. A similar tool is Walkabout, which allows you to move and walk using the keyboard as a controller. Just type it in the command line, or you can also open its window from the tab Set View. Just drag this small little guy here to the side and a window will open. Here you can control the walking, the moving up or down, you can change the camera angle and so on. This is very useful for finding camera positions. That's it for today. Now you know a bit more about Rhino. If you found this tutorial useful, please like it, share it and subscribe if you wanna see more. Take care. Ciao ciao. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.